Investing in Bitcoin can seem complicated, but it is much easier when you break it down into steps. Investing or trading Bitcoin only requires an account at a service or an exchange. Although further safe storage practices are recommended, there are several things that aspiring Bitcoin investors used: a cryptocurrency exchange account, personal identification documents if you're using a Know Your Customer KYC platform, a secure connection to the internet, and a method of payment. It is also recommended that you have your own personal wallet outside of the exchange account. Valid methods of payment using this path include bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. It is also possible to get Bitcoin at specialized ATMs and via P2P exchanges. Be aware, however, that Bitcoin ATMs have increasingly required government-issued IDs as of early 2020. Key takeaways. The value of Bitcoin is derived from its adaptation as a store of value and payment system, as well as its finite supply and decreasing inflation. Although it is nearly impossible for Bitcoin itself to be hacked, it is possible for your wallet or exchange account to be compromised. This is why practicing proper storage and security measures is imperative. You can purchase Bitcoin through mainstream services like PayPal and Robinhood. Before you buy Bitcoin, privacy and security are important issues for Bitcoin investors. Anyone who gains the private key to a public address on the Bitcoin blockchain can authorize transactions. Private keys should be kept secrets. Criminals may attempt to steal them if they learn of large holdings. Be aware that anyone can see the balance of a public address that you use. Anyone can view a history of transactions made on the blockchain, even you. Although transactions are publicly recorded on the blockchain, identifying user information is not. On the Bitcoin blockchain, only a user's public key appears next to the transaction, making transactions confidential but not anonymous. In that sense, Bitcoin transactions are more transparent and traceable than cash because all of them are available for public view, unlike private cash transactions. This should not concern most investors because Bitcoin is legal in the US and most other developed countries. Buying Bitcoin. We have broken down the steps to buy Bitcoin below. Remember that you'll need to perform your research and select the best option for yourself based on your circumstances. Step 1. Choose a crypto trading service or venue. The first step in buying Bitcoin consists of choosing a crypto trading service or venue. Popular trading services and venues for purchasing cryptocurrencies are cryptocurrency exchanges, payment services, and brokerages. Out of these, cryptocurrency exchanges are the most convenient options since they offer a breadth of features and more cryptocurrencies for trading as compared to other places. Step 2. Connect your exchange to a payment option. After you have chosen an exchange, you will need to gather your personal documents. Depending on the exchange, these may include pictures of a driver's license or social security number, as well as information about your employer and source of funds. The information you may need can depend on the region you live in and laws within it. The process is largely the same as setting up a typical brokerage account. Bitcoin is legal in the United States, but some banks may question or even stop deposits to crypto-related sites or exchanges. It's a good idea to check to make sure that your bank allows deposits at your chosen exchange. Exchanges also charge fees per transaction. This fee can either be a flat fee if the trading account is low or a percentage of the trading amount. Credit cards incur a processing fee in the addition of the transaction fee. Step 3. Place an order. You can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies after choosing an exchange and connecting a payment option. In recent years, cryptocurrency exchanges have slowly become more mainstream. They have grown in terms of liquidity and their breadth of features. The operational changes at cryptocurrency exchanges parallel the changes in perception for cryptocurrencies, gotten to a point where they have nearly the same level. Now cryptocurrency exchanges have gotten to a point where they have nearly the same level of features as their stock brokerage counterparts. Crypto exchanges today offer a number of order types and ways to invest. Almost all crypto exchanges offer both market and limit orders, and some also offer stop-loss orders. Of the exchanges mentioned above, Kraken offers the most order types. Kraken allows for market, limit, stop-loss, stop-limit, take-profit, and take-profit limit orders. Step 4. Safe storage. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallets are a place to store digital assets more securely. Having your crypto outside of the exchange and in your personal wallet ensures that only you have control over the private key to your funds. It also gives you the ability to store funds away from an exchange and avoid the risk of your exchange getting hacked and losing your funds. Hot wallets. Online wallets are known as hot wallets. Hot wallets are wallets that run on internet-connected devices like computers, phones, or tablets. This can create vulnerability because these wallets generate the private keys to your coins on these internet-connected devices. Cold wallets. The simplest description of a cold wallet is that it is not connected to the internet and therefore stands at a far lesser risk for being compromised. These wallets can also be referred to as offline wallets or hardware wallets. These wallets store a user's private key on something that is not connected to the internet and can come with softwares that work in parallel so that the user can view their portfolio without putting their private key at risk. Cold wallets are most secure way to store your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, but they require more technical knowledge for setup. How to buy Bitcoin with PayPal? You can buy Bitcoin through payment processor PayPal Holdings, and there are two ways to purchase Bitcoin using PayPal. The first and most convenient method is to purchase cryptocurrencies using your PayPal account that is connected to a payment mechanism such as debit card or bank account. The second option is to use the balance of your PayPal account to purchase cryptocurrencies from a third-party provider. This option is not as convenient as the first because very few third-party sites allow users to purchase Bitcoin using the PayPal button. For cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash can be purchased directly through PayPal. With the exception of those who live in Hawaii, residents of all states can either use their existing PayPal accounts or set up new ones. You can also use your cryptocurrencies to purchase products and services through the Checkout with Crypto feature. When you buy Bitcoin directly from PayPal, it makes money off the crypto spread or the difference between Bitcoin's market price and exchange rate between USD and the cryptocurrency. The company also charges a transaction fee for each purchase. These fees depend on the dollar amount of the purchase. How to buy Bitcoin with a credit card? The process for purchasing Bitcoin with credit cards is similar to one for buying the cryptocurrency with debit cards or through automated clearinghouse ACH transfers. You'll need to enter your credit card details with the exchange or online trading firm and authorize the transaction. In general, however, it is not a good idea to purchase Bitcoin with credit cards. There are a couple of reasons for this. First, not all exchanges allow Bitcoin purchases using credit cards due to associated processing fees and the risk of fraud. Their decision to do so may work out in the best interest of customers. The second reason is that the credit card purchases can be expensive. Credit card issuers treat Bitcoin purchases as cash advances and charge hefty fees and interest rates on such advances. For example, American Express and Chase both count purchases of cryptocurrencies as cash advance transactions. Thus, if you purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin using an American Express card, you will pay $10 current cash advance fee for such transaction plus an annual percentage fee of 25%. What are the steps to purchase Bitcoin? Exchange to place your order, selecting a payment method, and ensuring safe storage for your purchased cryptocurrency. Depending on the type of venue chosen in the first step, there might be additional steps involved in the process.